Amazon Q Developer is a Gen AI tool that can help you boost your productivity. It can assist you with feature development, optimization, or even fix your code. Hi, I'm Tiffany. Here are 6 things you need to know. Number 1. Amazon Q for Developer is integrated inside of your IDE, which means you can have a full conversation with Amazon Q directly in your IDE right next to your code. Just ask Amazon Q any questions and it will be able to answer. 2. Not only you can have a conversation, but you can also ask Amazon Q to explain your code. Just highlight the piece of code you're interested in. Right-click on it and select Send to Amazon Q and explain. You can also ask additional questions about your code. 3. Amazon Q can create a plan to help you add new features to your application with just a prompt. Go to your prompt and type /dev followed by your request. Amazon Q will suggest a plan, and once you agree with it, it will generate the code changes along with the test cases so you can review the code. 4. You can also use Amazon Q to optimize parts of your code. Highlight the piece of code that you want to optimize. Right-click on it and select Send to Amazon Q, Optimize, and let it generate suggestions on how to optimize that piece of code. 5. When your code doesn't have the expected behavior, you can highlight it. Right-click on it and select Send to Amazon Q, Send to Prompt, and write a comment explaining what is not working as expected. Amazon Q will send you suggestions on how to solve your problem. And number 6, Amazon Q also supports infrastructure as code, which means you can, for example, ask it to generate a CloudFormation configuration file by specifying what you need. And there you go! You have your config file, and you can check it in Application Composer. There are many more ways you can interact with Amazon Q. Here we just saw conversation, explanation, feature development, optimization, code fixing, and infrastructure as code. And if you enjoyed this video and want more hands-on technical content, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the AWS Developers YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.